I'm Nadine. I'm on the production fast track apprenticeship with my placement is in BBC Radio Wales. So for the past few months, I started in September. So since then I've been working on different shows in Radio Wales. So I've worked on the Wyn Evans show and the phone-in programme, and both are completely different environments. So on Wyn show I've been answering phones because we get a lot of listeners calling in, so I've been answering phones, they answer the question of the day, and I've also been putting the listeners on air as well. So it's quite a lot of, and then also I book listeners in, so if they want to go on a different day I can book them in for a different day to speak to the presenter. And then on the phone-in show I've been booking guests. So we choose 3 topics and we write briefs for the presenter on a certain topic and their links for the programme. So they say like, you're listening to the phone-in programme, and write that for them. And also booking in guests, so who are an expert on a certain topic. I ask them questions on the topic so we can give notes to the presenter. Honestly, I'm loving everything. My favourite is, so if I answer the phone, it's just like a normal researcher job, but when I'm putting people on air, it's more fun because you're right by the studio, and it's like more of a nicer experience because you get to like talk to the producer directly, and it's really enjoyable talking, like you're like in the real environment of like the radio show. Well, there's the afternoon show on Radio Wales. I'll be moving into that soon, and it's a lot more responsibility because they book a lot of people in. They have way more guests than all the other shows, and they book people like very ahead in advance, and it's all scripted. The show is all like completely scripted, so you've got to write a lot of scripts and get everything in on time. So it's a lot more responsibility, and they like you to have experience at the other shows before you move on to that. So you're more mature in a sense of like writing all the briefs. You've got to have more experience of writing. So I'm really excited to move on to that and feel a bit more mature in the workplace. So this week I'm in Skill Cymru in the Siarad studios in Cardiff, and so we're doing units, we're doing workplace units at the moment, and sort of like health and safety units as well. And it helps because you get to like really focus on the work you've been doing. You get to see like how much responsibility you have, because when you're in placement every day you don't really think about it, you just get on with your work and you don't get to sort of look back at what you've actually achieved. So it's really nice to be able to have a place for all the apprentices to get together as well, because you don't see each other as often in work, and it's really nice to just have a look back at what you've done. And I think it helps you see like the responsibilities you actually have day to day as well. I'd probably say definitely make sure you know what sort of side of the media industry you want to go into, because I think a lot of us know, and like you can specifically choose like what area you're most interested in, and I think it really helps. Because if you want a job in the media industry when you're older, it helps with your experience because it's catered to one specific thing. Like you can go into audio with like Radio 4 and 3, Radio Wales, news, like anything. You can also move around, but I think it's important to know specifically what you want to do because it will help you get the most out of your work.